It's still snowing. It's nearly 8 o'clock in the morning on Sunday, and it is still snowing. I measured a little bit about how much snow we have, and we have approximately 7 inches. We probably have more in some places, but 7 inches is about the approximate. You cannot see my driveway. You cannot see the front path. You can barely see my car. That's my poor car right there. The purple one, not the white one. That's my neighbor's car. That's my mailbox. And where the hell are my front steps? I open up the door to see snow stuck to it all the way up. Yep. Not that you wanted to see that. But that's the flower box there, which you can sort of kind of see. Those trees are approximately some of them are 4 feet tall. Others are about 5.5. The snow has weighed them down so badly, it's pretty bad. The entire ground is covered. Yeah, I cannot believe it's still snowing. Well, I'm going to end here. I'm sure most of you are tired of seeing all this white stuff. Okay, everybody keep warm, and hope the electricity stays on. Ooh, snowflakes.